Hello and welcome. I'm going to teach you the find function. So with the find function, you can do a few really cool things. So if you go to your home menu tab, we go to the far right, we're going to see this find and select. Right? So if I come in here and I go find, just the first one on the list, I'm going to have this finding and replacing window, right? The one we're going to look at is find for the moment. Now, if you want to know the keyboard shortcut, it's simply Control F, right? And that's going to bring that up straight away, right? And I believe in like browsers and stuff, it's the same keyboard shortcut, so feel free to use that. And the way you do a find, there's two kind of ways. First is if you want to search for a selected area, or if you want to search the whole worksheet, okay? If I want to search just this area, right? If I look for the word Peter, it's not going to be in there. So if I go find next, nothing, right? If I extend it, it's going to say look in there, and it's going to highlight that Peter for me. Okay. Now if I do 1, 2, 3, and I go find all, it's going to tell me the position of each time 1, 2, 3 actually turned up. And if I click them, it actually lets me select it, right? And I think I can hear my dogs barking, right? So that's your find. Now, if you don't select a range, you just have it selected as a single cell, that means it will search the entire worksheet. Okay, so that's your first find. Then the other find you can do is to actually find within a cell. So if I go equals find, right, it should be called search or something, but I think there is a search. Yeah, there's a search thing, search formula. I guess that's why they didn't call it that. Find, and the text I want to look for is, let's say, Jed. Right? And I want to look for it in here. Okay, so I go enter, and this number represents the position of where Jed actually starts. So I'm going to change this to console list so you can see what I mean. Right? Position 5 is 1, 2, 3, space is position, and then 5 is J, because that's where the Jed starts. Okay, so those are the two methods for finding. All right, and if I expand this, obviously Jed doesn't exist, so it's going to say no value. And a way to get around this, if you are going to continue, I have an error handling video you can check out. It's called if error. I can go if error, this one. If it's an error, I just want you to write 0. Okay, and that just lets you continue on your formulations without any errors like that. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and see you at the next video.